In this video, I'm going to show you how to save generated XML from VBA. So let's say you have created a code that convert this particular table into an XML, and now you want to save this on a file, right? You can go with a lot of way, like you can just get the XML from that XML DOM element and then you can just save that right to the file's structure, or you can use the built-in method of XML doc. Okay, so let me show you that. So let's say you have created this XML, and if you don't know how to do this, please watch previous video. I have talked about how to generate an XML from a template XML file. So let's say we have generated this XML. Now you can just use this save method. It says XML doc.save, and it says, okay, give me the destination where I need to save this particular XML. So if I just run this, okay, let me just show you that I don't have any XML file that says generated.xml right in this section. Now if I just run this and let me see, you can see we have this generated.xml. and now if we look into this structure, you can see this is the book, we have the author, first name, last name, and so on, and the template was like this one, right? And it's created this whole structure. So that's how you can save the XML to a file using save method. That's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and sharing this video with others. Have a good day.